This is the concluding and the summary video of avocado oil I made. If you want to use avocado oil, make sure you make it yourself, because when you make it yourself, you know what you're actually rubbing in your body, especially if you actually want this thing to work properly. I use 8 avocado seeds to make this avocado oil. So I remove the seed, match it, make sure that it's properly matched, then I spread it out in the sun. And it took like 5 days for it to properly dry. You can see this, I think this is the second day of it. I brought it out to check if it's dry. This is the 4th day. And when you dry it, you have to make sure that you are trying to turn it around to make sure that, you know, it's properly, not one side is dry, that everything. If not, if you leave it like that, the bottom is not going to be dry. So this is how dry it is. Now it's so dry now. I want to try to break it out and squeeze out the oil. So I'm trying to bring it out. And when you spread it out, if you don't turn it, at the end of the day, it gets stuck in the. And if you're using it, I will curry, because I use foil paper here. Don't use foil paper because it's a little bit hard to remove it from foil paper. If you have a tray, which is much better. So after breaking it, I put it in the blender because it was so hard. I put it in the blender so that I'll be able to squeeze out the oil. After blending it, then I put in the cheesecloth to squeeze out the oil. You can see I'm trying to squeeze out the oil. After squeezing out the oil, let the oil settle down, because after squeezing it out, there's still some of it that you still have to, remove, because you're not going to use all the oil. As you can see, the oil is very dark. So when you are buying avocado oil outside, make sure that it is a little bit dark, not the one that is as clear as groundnut oil, you understand? So after everything, this is what I got out of it.
The ultimate herbal blend: chamomile, rosemary cloves, apple cider vinegar, and lemon tea benefits. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're excited to introduce to you a delightful and health-boosting herbal blend featuring chamomile, rosemary, cloves, apple cider vinegar, and lemon. Discover the amazing benefits of this unique mix. Chamomile offers calming properties, making it perfect for relaxation, while rosemary enhances memory and concentration. Cloves bring powerful antioxidants to the table, and apple cider vinegar supports the digestion and detoxification. Finally, the zesty lemon adds a refreshing twist and a boost of vitamin C. Join us as we share how to prepare this invigorating tea blend, the health benefits of each ingredient, and tips on how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or boost your overall wellness, this herbal tea is your go-to solution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious and helpful recipes.